India has done it. It has become now the fourth country to land a spacecraft on the moon after the U.S. and China and the former Soviet Union.
This is a potential game changer. NASA has hit pay dirt. You realize that ice is worth 5 times, pound for pound, 5 times the value of gold on the moon. This could change the way we view space exploration.
What did India's Chandrayaan 3 lunar mission discover that left even Michio Kaku, renowned for his optimistic outlook in theoretical physics, visibly shaken? A spacecraft, a mission to the moon, and a revelation so astonishing that it sent shockwaves through the scientific community. What could they have found, and why does it upend our understanding of the cosmos? Launched by the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, Chandrayaan 3 marks a groundbreaking achievement in space exploration, firmly establishing India as a global leader in the field. Triumphing where Chandrayaan 2 faced setbacks in 2019, the mission achieved a historic soft landing on the moon's south pole, a region largely uncharted by other nations. This area holds critical importance for uncovering the moon's resources and assessing its potential for future human colonization. Initially, Chandrayaan 3's findings thrilled scientists. The Vikram lander and Pragyan rover confirmed the presence of frozen water, an invaluable resource for sustaining future lunar missions and potentially supporting human colonies. Along with water, they identified minerals like magnesium and silicon, crucial for constructing lunar infrastructure. However, what began as a triumphant mission soon took a mysterious and unsettling turn. The first hints of something extraordinary surfaced when the Pragyan rover, equipped with advanced spectrometers, began analyzing the lunar regolith, the fine, dusty layer covering the moon's surface. Initially, the terrain appeared barren and lifeless, as expected. But then the rover detected trace amounts of a material unlike anything ever documented, not just on the moon, but anywhere in our solar system. This enigmatic substance displayed properties that defied the laws of conventional physics. It appeared to absorb electromagnetic radiation unlike any known material, behaving almost like an energy sponge. Michio Kaku called the discovery both revolutionary and profoundly unsettling. If the material is natural, it shakes the very foundations of our understanding of physics. If it's not natural, it poses an even more unsettling question: who or what created it? And for what purpose? The mystery deepened further with another remarkable finding: unusual heat signatures emerging from beneath the lunar south pole. These emissions varied in a manner that appeared to respond to external stimuli. Early hypotheses suggested that subsurface magma could be the cause, but the moon has been geologically dormant for billions of years. This left scientists searching for other explanations, with some speculating about the presence of alien artifacts or structures beneath the surface. Conspiracy theories about extraterrestrial activity on the moon are not new. For years, there have been rumors of the South Pole serving as a possible site for alien bases or observation stations. While such notions have long been dismissed as pure speculation, Kaku has now acknowledged that these findings challenge our understanding of the moon, and perhaps even our role in the universe. The most astonishing discovery emerged weeks later when ISRO unveiled preliminary data from a groundbreaking experiment conducted by the Pragyan rover using ground-penetrating radar. The rover uncovered a vast cavernous void beneath the surface of the moon's south pole. Even more remarkable were the geometric structures detected within the void, patterns and shapes that appeared unlikely to have formed through natural geological processes. These findings, which are still being studied, could have far-reaching implications. If confirmed, these findings could transform our understanding of the moon's history and its significance in the larger cosmic narrative. Kaku's concerns highlight the growing unease within the scientific community. Have we uncovered evidence of an ancient, non-human intelligence, or is there a natural explanation waiting to be revealed? Whatever the answer, Chandrayaan 3's discoveries have brought humanity to the threshold of a new era in cosmic exploration and a deeper encounter with the unknown. Kaku was alarmed when shown the preliminary diagrams of these formations. According to the data, the structures appeared metallic and arranged in a grid-like pattern resembling the framework of a constructed facility. This wasn't a random scattering of rocks. It was systematic, deliberate, and seemingly ancient. But what made things even more astonishing was the void's dimensions, suggesting it could be large enough to house a small city. This discovery has ignited a wave of speculation. Could these structures be the remnants of an advanced extraterrestrial civilization? Or is it possible they are something even more unsettling? Artifacts of human origin from a forgotten chapter of Earth's history. These ideas may not be as implausible as they first appear. In recent years, some scientists have begun to consider the possibility that intelligent life might have existed on Earth millions of years ago, only to be wiped out by catastrophic events. Could ancient humans, or their creations, have somehow reached the moon? At the same time, other researchers are examining the potential risks associated with the find. If the structures are indeed of extraterrestrial origin, tampering with them might trigger unintended consequences. What if the heat signatures detected earlier are part of an active system designed to respond to intrusions? Kaku, known for his cautious optimism about humanity's space exploration, has now cautioned that we must proceed with the utmost care. He's urged the formation of an international coalition of scientists and policymakers to thoroughly investigate these findings before sending any more missions to the South Pole. Adding to the mystery is the strange behavior of the Chandrayaan 3 rover. After the initial scans of the underground void, Pragyan began experiencing what ISRO referred to as unexplained technical malfunctions. The rover's instruments began transmitting distorted data, and its movements became erratic. While ISRO has attributed these problems to mechanical failure, others are not so convinced. Could these malfunctions have been caused by an interaction with the mysterious material or the underground structures? Kaku has highlighted the crucial role of transparency in tackling these questions. While much of this remains unfounded speculation, it reflects a growing public awareness that something remarkable and potentially alarming is happening on the moon. What is particularly unsettling is how little we truly understand about the moon, even after decades of exploration. Despite numerous missions and the vast array of samples we've gathered, the moon still holds countless mysteries. And with the discoveries made by Chandrayaan 3, those mysteries have only deepened. As Kaku noted, the more we learn, the less we seem to know. The pressing question now is, what comes next? ISRO has unveiled plans for follow-up missions to the lunar South Pole, though they are still years away. Meanwhile, other nations are beginning to show renewed interest in this region. NASA's Artemis program, for instance, plans to set up a permanent lunar base near the South Pole within the next 10 years. But will these upcoming missions reveal more of the moon's mysteries, or will they bring us closer to our worst fears? Kaku's concern goes beyond the discoveries themselves. It's about the far-reaching consequences for humanity. If, as the evidence increasingly suggests, we're not alone in the universe, everything changes. Our sense of where we fit in the cosmos, our scientific focus, and even our geopolitical strategies will need a serious rethink. As Kaku warned, the moon might not be the desolate place we once believed. And if that's the case, we'll have to confront some profound questions we may not be prepared to answer. While we wait for more updates from ISRO and other space agencies, one thing is clear. Chandrayaan 3 has unlocked a world of possibilities. Whether these possibilities bring hope or danger is yet to be determined. But one thing is certain. Our journey to the moon has only just begun, and it's already transforming how we understand the universe. The discoveries from Chandrayaan 3 have reverberated across the scientific community and far beyond. As the world processes the astounding implications of these discoveries, it's crucial to understand why the moon's south pole has drawn such intense attention. This region is not just another part of the lunar surface, it's a rich source of resources and enigmas. With its craters that remain in permanent shadow, the South Pole contains vast amounts of frozen water ice. Scientists believe these ice deposits are remnants from the early days of the solar system, making them not only vital for future lunar settlements, but also key to unlocking the history of our cosmic environment. Could the moon have once harbored primitive life forms in its distant past? And if it didn't, why does such a valuable resource exist in abundance on a world that lacks the conditions for life as we know it? While the discovery of water ice is already groundbreaking, it's just the tip of the iceberg. Other findings, like the unidentified material in the regolith, have the potential to revolutionize our understanding of chemistry and material science. If this material can truly absorb and control electromagnetic radiation, its potential applications could be groundbreaking. We could see the development of materials that make objects invisible, enable massive-scale energy storage, or even lead to advanced spacecraft propulsion systems. However, such incredible possibilities come with inherent risks. As Kaku has emphasized, a thorough understanding of this material must be approached with caution. Misuse or misunderstanding could lead to unforeseen consequences, especially if its origins remain unclear. The discovery of geometric structures beneath the lunar surface adds another layer to this mystery. The idea of built structures on the moon may seem far-fetched at first, but it's not entirely out of the question. Over the years, various whistleblowers and conspiracy theorists have suggested that the moon has been a hub for extraterrestrial activity, with some even proposing that alien entities observed humanity's first steps on the lunar surface. Though such claims have frequently been labeled as pseudoscience, the data from Chandrayaan 3 adds significant credibility to these theories. If these structures are truly artificial, they could mark one of the most groundbreaking archaeological discoveries in history. But the questions they raise are profound. Who constructed them, when, and why? To grasp the magnitude of these inquiries, it's useful to explore some of the theories that have been suggested. As humanity stands on the cusp of a new age in space exploration, Michio Kaku's words echo both as a warning and a source of inspiration. The universe is vast and full of wonder, with countless mysteries awaiting discovery. But as we journey into the unknown, we must approach it with care, humility, and respect for the cosmos, for one another, and for the truths yet to be revealed. The discoveries made by Chandrayaan 3 have challenged our understanding of the moon, the universe, and our place in it. These revelations have sparked fresh questions, debates, and dreams. And though the answers to those questions remain out of reach, one thing is certain: the journey to unravel the secrets of the cosmos has only just begun. With each mission, each breakthrough, humanity takes another step toward understanding the universe. While the road ahead may be uncertain, the potential is boundless. Chandrayaan 3 has revealed that the moon is far more than a lifeless rock. It's a gateway to the unknown, a testament to the limitless potential of the human spirit, and a challenge to our assumptions about reality. As we continue our exploration of the moon and beyond, let's approach it with open minds, open hearts, and a deep sense of awe for the mysteries that lie ahead.